Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Ya ndoda. Usesela wangwapha uhambi.
Ngiyahamba mara.
Ngeyi-30 June kumele ungasekho lapha. Ngeyi-30 June kumele ungasekho. Ubuya apha ekhaya? Shosha. Ikuphi lapha? Cha ngisho ekhaya kini straight.
Amastral social groove.
Umhlobo bani wena?
Mina. Ngimuphi.
Namanga.
Serious.
Hayi lutho.
Ngizaneni.
Dzanini?
Yeah.
Ezaneni?
Yazaneni.
Hayi Zaneni Dzanini.
Dzaneni.
Uyabona ukuthi unamanga. Ngeyi-30 June kumele ungasekho la uyakwazi lo.
Naka phela wona
Hayi namanga.
Serious.
Uyamazi ungizwa?
Ma.
Ungizwa mchunu. Awumazi? Uzobola induku. Wakuthola la ubolile induku. Kumele nipakishe nihambe. Ubuya kuphi le ezini?
Hayi.
Vele.
Mina ngifuna wala. Ngibelele rangu.
Namanga.
Mokhara sisi.
Kuphi?
Ngibelele nje mokhara rangu.
Uthe wena Zanini.
My father was staying in Zaneni.
Umama akho
Umama umuntu waka.
uzobona.
Naka motho mo khorot bana go tla polelo ra o go motho mo ga.
Angikuthembi.
Serious asisi.
Hayi, sure.
And then you will hear someone from Limpopo saying, Uguti, yeah, me, I support much and much. Me, I support Ngizwe, I support Jacinta, I support Pakelo Mtagat. When they chase away the foreigners so that they can go back to their countries. The foreigners, they are stealing our jobs. The foreigners, when they say Mabahambe, they are talking about you, Mareta Kokwao. They are speaking about you, Ngongwanyin, Vakulma Mwe. So the foreigner in South Africa. Limpopo to KZN is foreigners only that are staying there. Zulu people, when they look at you from people from Limpopo, they see foreigners. They don't care if you're a vendor, Mupedi, Mutsonga, Mchangani, Mima foreigner, Nkwenkangwe, Barunzungwe. Mima foreigner, Nkwenkangwe. This much and much thing has always been a tribal war directed to people from Limpopo. From where it started, it has always been tribal. It has always been xenophobic. It has always been tribalistic. That is why each and every day, with Jacinta, they are working very, very hard to try and defend themselves, saying that they are not xenophobic. While they know this is what they have programmed into the Zulu people. All the Zulu people who are here in South Africa, when they look at anyone from Limpopo, to them you are a foreigner, you are an animal, you are a monkey. You do not deserve to be here in this country. This country belongs to them. And then when you want to support them, you want to go out there and march with them. March with the people who are planning to kill you tomorrow. The people who have been disrespecting your leaders in broad daylight. Bo Malema, Bo Cyril Ramaphosa, Bo Khumbudzo Ntshavheni. All those people are being disrespected by those Zulu people each and every day. And those are the same people that you support. Because you are so scared of the Zulus. They will stop this. You think you will stop this? They can't even tell what and you know that we look like the people from Zimbabwe. We look like the people from Mozambique because we have always been one. We have the same blood. We look alike. We don't go around, all of us as the Zulus, wearing these things so that they can identify you. But when I still want to support them,
if you are a poor, dark-skinned Tsonga or Venda person in some parts of South Africa, you are considered as a foreigner. I still remember after graduating, I went to Northwest to do my practicals, and as I was there the other day, another lady visited our offices and she needed assistance, but no one assisted her simply because everyone assumed that she was a foreigner just because she was dark-skinned and she looked like she was coming from a poor background. They just dismissed her and sent her away and said that they don't assist foreigners. And then as that woman was leaving, I went to her and asked her, Ori, what's really happening? Who are you? Where are you coming from? Because I thought maybe she was Venda. And then that woman told me that she is Tsonga and she just came to get some assistance with some other things. But no one wanted to assist that woman just because she was dark-skinned and she looked like she was coming from a poor background. So they all assumed that that woman was a foreigner. And these things are really happening everywhere here in South Africa.
Sanibona, MC 10 la ulo xhasa bakanyamezela funeral services. Ulone inkulumo enohlonze. Webhuti phakela umthakathi. No bhuti ungezi umacingwane. Bafowethu anginilawuli, angisho lutho kunina anginilawuli. Kodwa bafowethu yehlisana isingisini. Cha, ngeke yehlisana isingisini. Hey, aningicasuli mase nikhuluma isingisi ave ngisuke ngicasuke ngoba uma utshela umuntu orongi nje okokuqala ayikho into ethi mtshelenge mnese. Mayini niyabanesa uyamnesa mangaba uza khuluma ngesingisi. Khuluma isiZulu sakini, khuluma isintu sakini. Uthi sithi thina umuntu ongene ngokungemthetho la kasiphumele. Ungaloku umnesi uthi noma ufika endaweni yakhe uyoloku veteza ke isingisi vete. Hey bafowethu. Ayi mina ngazi bafowethu angazi ba ngingayichaza kanjani kodwa nje kona ngendlela bafowethu engiyibuka ngayo ngazi uthi ningaphuma esingisini nikhuluma isintu nisazi impela isingisi nisikhuluma impela nisikhuluma kahle kodwa nje yabona kulesi simo lesi cha engathi ungavela ukukhuluma isintu nje uvela uthi thina sithi yabona nje ngoba beni lapha ku-embassy lesingisi nje benisikhuluma nihlezi phansi angisithandanga. Angisithandanga qobo, angisithandanga ngoba bekhona namaphoyisa lapha ngangcono benikhuluma isintu kube yona amaphoyisa atolika leyo nto. Ukhulume ngoba uma ukhuluma isintu sakini uzayikhipha ingonyulu ukuyisho yonke lento ufisa ukuyisho. Manje isingisi siyathambisana. Ukuqabela lokho ukuthi isingisi siyathambisana. Kodwa nje bafowethu yabona lesingisi enifike ni-address ngaso laba abantu ayave ngingasithandi mina hayi ngeke hayi mina angazi bangingathina angazi bangazichaza kanjani kodwa ke phela ke nami nje ukuveza nje umbono ukusika nje kwelijikayo.
Yo, guys, and you know what, ne? It seems like those leaders are being exposed every day because what is the meaning of this? And I'm actually sitting here asking myself, why did he even post this video? Like, there was no need to post the video after he have realized that this man was a South African. I always say this, you cannot differentiate between a South African and a Mozambican or whichever foreigner that you can call. You cannot identify. You can really not identify, guys. There is no certain way a Zimbabwean look. There is no a certain way a South African look. That we are all human beings. You cannot identify, like you cannot differentiate. This one is from where, this one is from where. There is nothing like that. Ungizo Mchunu is seen in this video actually calling this guy out. I think the guys from Zanin, I think he speaks, is it Chilobedu? Yes, that language. And Ungizo is asking him, when are you going home? And Guy was very surprised because he doesn't even know Ungizo. Like, who are you? Like, what's going on? And he's just trying to hustle, guys. Like, this man is trying to hustle in his own country. What is the meaning of this? What's going on? Like, what is this? I really do not understand. And I stand with this man that these people, when they say foreigners, they include people from Limpopo as well, to say you too. Because to them, people from Limpopo look a certain way. Even their women. We saw Jacinta's tweets, old tweets, when they were resurfacing, dissing people from Limpopo, women from Limpopo. Guys, it was just a lot. And now we can see I don't even know why did he even post the video, because there was no need, man. It was not necessary for him to even put the video online, because obviously he will get the backlash. I don't know if that is what he is looking for, because now people get to know the real reason behind this match and match, the real reason behind, like, black people wake up. Black people wake up. It's high time we wake up and smell the coffee, because why are we fighting on our own? Like, what is going on? Why are we fighting on our own? I always tell this match and match, it is not going to work, and it's not working. That's just it. It is not working, because you cannot just go around telling people to close their spaza shop, telling people to go back while you don't even know where they come from. Like, what do you mean? I feel like that's an insult, man. To me, that's an insult. Like, you don't have to do that. But anyway, please comment your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think about this one?